We're at this new Mexican place in downtown Yonkers called La Cantina. It is located at 38 Main Street. I'm starting off with the Habanero mango wings. They're not fried, they're flame grilled. Topped off with delicious looking habanero mango salsa. I'm excited, I like spice, I love wings, and I like mango. Cheers. Oh my God. That's incredible. Definitely get the spice right away. The first flavor I got was the mango, and the spice was a nice punch. The wings are delicious. They're very juicy. They're very juicy. They're marinated. You know? I always prefer a fried, crispy wing, but this is incredible. No complaints. I can eat the grilled skin, no problem. Wow. The wings here are incredible. Now we're having their carne con papas, their hanger steak. Wow. That potato just disappeared in my mouth. Incredible. Nice, soft, tender, juicy, flavorful. There was some nice acid in there. I think it was some vinegar. Delicious. Amazing potatoes. The steak is juicy, tender. You can't beat a steak right off the grill. Having a piece of steak with the salsa on it. Cheers. That's spicy. It has a nice tomatoey flavor, and then it hits you with the spice. It pairs very well with the steak. This delicious looking green drink is called the Rumes de Juan Chavez. It contains mezcal, green juice made of pineapple, cilantro, mint, and a hint of serrano pepper, lime juice, and agave. Check out this beautiful drink. Cheers. Oh my God, that's incredible. Wow. This is the first time I ever had cilantro in a drink. I did not think I was gonna be a fan. It's incredible. Very light. A very light flavor, and it perfectly masks the burn of the liquor. You could barely tell there's liquor in here, but you can tell from the mezcal aroma and flavor that there's mezcal in here. Besides that, it kind of tastes like a healthy juice drink. Amazing. And there's a rim Usually it's tajin, but it looks a little different. Let's see what it is. Not too sure if it's a variation of tajin, but it tastes a little different. I need to slow down because this tastes like a health juice drink, and it's a cocktail. This next drink is the Hudson Valley River View. It contains Pelotón de la Muerte Mezcal, grapefruit juice, rosemary, and thyme. It consists of Pelotón de la Muerte Mezcal, grapefruit juice, rosemary and thyme tea, lime, agave, and angostura bitters. Such a beautiful drink. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Even though they add bitters, even though grapefruit is bitter, it's not an overall bitter drink. It has its sweetness to it that balance out the bitters, and it masks all the mezcal. Oh man, what an experience here at La Cantina, newest Mexican restaurant here in the South Yonkers, New York. Here in Yonkers, New York. The newest Mexican restaurant, La Cantina on Main Street. If you haven't been here yet and you're looking for amazing food and amazing drinks, make sure you stop by La Cantina, South Yonkers. Thank you everybody for watching. Peace and love.
Así nomás con panetón pa' que sepan viejo.
Y así suena la doble P, viejillo. Jálese la greña.
Todo le he aprendido al viejo. Bien firmes con su bandera. Prohibido decir su nombre. A la vuelta al mundo y en su jet espera. Siente el peligro y la clote se enfunda. No digo el nombre.